Facebook-owned chat application WhatsApp has always maintained that the chats in its platform are end-to-end encrypted. End-to-end encryption ensures that no one apart from the receiver and sender can read the messages, not even WhatsApp. Well, the question is, if the chats are end-to-end encrypted, why every time there is a Bollywood scandal, the WhatsApp chats of the person in question are leaked or accessed? After Sushant Singh Rajput's death last year, an alleged drug supply racket in the film industry came into the light, and since then there have been several instances of leaked WhatsApp chats of Bollywood stars. Rhea Chakravarti's WhatsApp chats were doing rounds on the internet last year. Deepika Padukone was summoned by the NCB after her chats with an alleged drug dealer were accessed. The most recent case involves Bollywood actress Ananya Pandey. The NCB had summoned her after her chats with Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan Khan were allegedly revealed to the authorities. Now, all these incidents of leaked Bollywood chats raise questions like, are WhatsApp messages really end-to-end encrypted? And how do chats leak or are accessed by others? How can WhatsApp chats be accessed despite end-to-end encryption? Can WhatsApp share data with law enforcement authorities? Well, before we answer all these questions, we request you to please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News. The end-to-end encryption of WhatsApp uses a signal protocol that prevents third parties and WhatsApp itself from accessing messages or calls. WhatsApp said in its fact page, WhatsApp has no ability to see the content of messages or listen to calls that are end-to-end encrypted. That's because the encryption and decryption of messages sent and received on WhatsApp occur entirely on your device. Before messages ever leaves your device, it's secured with a cryptographic lock and only the recipient has the keys. In addition, the keys change with every single message that's sent. While all this happens behind the scenes, you can confirm your conversations are protected by checking the security verification code on your device. When implemented correctly, the end-to-end encryption is serious business. It is most impossible to access an end-to-end encrypted chat. So how do WhatsApp chats leak? Well, in reality, they don't get leaked in most cases, but accessed. It's very simple. The person gets direct physical access to the chat when you are asked to unlock the phone and give it to them. The chats, when accessed, can be copied, shared, and screenshots can be taken. In case the phone is physically accessible but is not unlocked, forensic teams can access the chat backups from Google Drive or iCloud using specialized tools. The chat backups in Google Drive or iCloud are not encrypted. The data in the phone could also be cloned to a computer and then could be accessed using some forensic tools. Also, the law enforcement authorities have the option of contacting Google and Apple with a valid court order and access the WhatsApp chat backups from them. Well, in India, the law on access to personal devices such as smartphones is different from the US or European countries where police need a warrant before seizing and searching phones and computers. Law enforcement authorities can contact WhatsApp to share a user's account information in an emergency. Store contents for an account may include about information, DPs, group information, and address book if available. Once a request is made, WhatsApp reviews, validates, and responds to law enforcement requests based on applicable laws and policy. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel, The Vocal News, and don't forget to like, share, and comment. You can also follow us on Facebook and log on to our website www.thevocalnews.com for latest news updates.